What visual model can I use to introduce the idea of relative position?
A number track is ideal, as it allows children to count spaces. For example, what is the position of 7 relative to 5?
I see 5 and count 2 more, so I know 7 is 2 more than 5.
Try introducing this model by having children hop along a track marked on the floor. There are many different games you can play on a number track. Eventually, you can write numbers on a large strip of paper. Use this strip to talk about the position of one number relative to another.
I can see that 10 is halfway to 20.
In time, you can cut the strip into decades and rearrange them to build a hundreds chart.
Oh, so number tracks help children to understand hundreds charts?
Yes, and they will help children again as they begin to use number lines.